this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Instagram app on your MacBook computer. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and load up a Google Chrome browser on your MacBook. Now, you won't be able to do this on Safari, so make sure you're in Google Chrome. You could then head over to the address bar and go and type in Instagram.com. You'll then need to go and click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand side of your browser and then hover over Cast, Save and Share. You'll then need to click on Install Instagram, and this is going to install the Instagram app, and we just need to click on Install. Now, once it's finished, it's going to open up Instagram as its own application. So you can go and close out of this. So now if you come over to Apps in your taskbar, you can now see the Instagram app. Go and click on it. And if you want to also go and add this to your taskbar, then what we can do is go and hold down on the app in the taskbar. You can then hover over Options and you can select Keep in Dock. So now even when I go and close this app, you can see that it remains on the taskbar.